Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can edit view only and comment only file in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and then the first thing we have to do is selecting the file that we want to make it as view only and comment only file in Google Sheets. And then for example, I'm going to select this one, then just tap on this three dots button on the file and you can select manage access right here. And then as you can see that my file is still restricted, so only people edit can open with the link. If you want to make it view only and comment only for a specific user, you can click on this button and you can add people to your Google Sheets file. But if you want to make it view only and comment only for anyone, you can click on this option and click on this option and you can choose anyone with the link. Okay, and if you want to make it view only and comment only, you can tap on this viewer option. Then you can click on commenters so people can view and also comment on your file. As you can see right here guys, anyone on the internet with this link can view and comment on this file. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit view only and comment only file in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.